Hey guys, it's your girl Aisha Shasha, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips on making shaker rings. And today I am doing some very soft colored pastel shaker rings. Now I've been wanting to work on a more sort of soft palette for quite some time, but I don't know why I always end up falling into using slightly brighter pastels. So today I'm going to really try and focus on keeping them nice and soft looking. Now what you're seeing me do here is using some tape to clean out my molds. I do this all the time because even though the lint might be tiny, it is still there, and it is very annoying if once you've done all your hard work you then see teeny tiny pieces of fluff. It's the most annoying thing. So that's what I do to sort of try to eliminate that. I also like to use my heat gun on this particular resin just because it is quite thick, and if you're pouring a thick resin into a small mold, it can be hard to get those bubbles out. So I like to give it a quick blast with the heat gun just so that it's a little bit runnier and a little bit easier for me to use. Now I'm using the clear resin pretty much almost up to the top of the mold, and then I'm using these really cool colored resins and just drizzling them over the top, kind of creating a sort of marbling effect. I still haven't perfected the art of marbling. I really want to, so yeah, bear with me on that. But yeah, just by sort of dripping this in and by pushing it down with my little silicone tool, it actually creates such a beautiful smoky effect. You'll see what I mean in just a second. Also, it's important to note that I'm not like mixing up the colors together too much. I'm really just sort of trying to place them next to each other. I'm not swirling to make the whole thing become pink. I really want to try and keep those nice swirly lines in there to give it that really cool smoky effect. Now it's time for me to add my stickers. Usually I would use a no wipe UV top coat, but I'd run out at the time, so I just used some resin and I just filled in all of the shaker in there, and I made sure that that was really well cured because you don't want bits to stick to the sides. Sometimes it still happens. I don't know why, but it does. But this way it tends to sort of prevent that from happening if you make sure that it is really well cured. Okay, so now it's time for me to fill the shaker. Now, Ashley, my friend who I'm making this for, she is obsessed with bananas and pink and yellow and fruity things. So I wanted to make this as delicate as possible, but bananas had to be in there. So I delved into my stash and I just found like the softest yellows and the softest pinks that I possibly could find, and I put those in there. And yeah, I'm just popping the shaker film on the top and giving it a quick cure with my small light, and then I do give it a full cure underneath my larger lamp as well. Sometimes I do actually put the oil in first, just to sort of like eliminate any chances of things sticking to it. Other times I might forget, and so I add it in afterwards, but this one seemed to turn out absolutely fine. And there we have our shaker. Doesn't it look so pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, so next it's time for me to add the ring blank on the back. So I put a layer of UV resin on there, and then I just pop the ring blank on, and then I do actually do another layer over that, just to make sure that it is well and truly secure. But look at this, guys. Isn't it just so delicate and so pretty? I love it so much. Sometimes with shakers, less is more. You don't want to like completely crowd your shaker so that you can't see the cute little motif that you might put inside it. You want to try and make it so that everything can be seen and appreciated for what it is. You don't want it to be too messy. But yeah, with this one here, again, same rules apply. So I'm going to just let you enjoy watching this one. darlings, we have our second soft pastel yellow shaker. This one is absolutely adorable. You've got all the fruits in there. You've got strawberries, you've got peaches, you've got bananas, like it's all going on. Comment below and let me know which one was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.